Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick Matt Tech, and today we're doing an oil change for a 2017 Nissan Rogue. All right, step one, let's pop the hood right here. Let's pop this.
Somebody's gonna intervene, watch. Miguel said he's 20 minutes stuck in traffic.
Wow. All right, we got the hood. Step two, jack up the car. Thank you. And this is, by the way, this is my friend, Frank. Hold on, guys.
Yeah, they don't want to get dirty.
Jack up the car. Loosen this up.
You take over the brakes and you drove it in?
Yeah. I didn't put it on, so it can roll back anytime it wants. I need.
Sorry about the camera.
Yo, I need muscles right here. I need muscles. That joint, it's tight. I thought I was weak.
Wow.
Guys, we can't get this open. We're not going to do no oil change.
Holy shit.
The struggle is real. I just seen a big plier. Let's go grab the big plier real quick. Let's run over here. Guys, right here, right here. This is what we need. This is what we need right here. This is what we need right here. This is what we need. Crack this loose here.
That's crazy.
Crack that loose. There we go. Using the cap. Alright. See what we got here. 14 mm. Let's try it. Oh my God. There's the oil right here. Nut. Oh, my eye. Damn.
Did he light?
Yeah, he got a light. Can you move that fan? Yeah, that joint is blowing dust in my eye. I'm gonna grab this loose. What's in here? Oil right here. Oh, let's make sure lefty loosey here. Hold up. Let's see if we can spin this off where it'll get in the mess on us.
Grab the nut before you get oil. Grab the nut.
I'm looking for it. Sorry. You got a cherry van? There we go.
Alright, I gotta bring the truck in. We'll watch your head. We'll get the rest of it.
Alright. Put the clean this up real quick. You got a crush washer with this, sir?
No, I don't.
Okay, we just gonna reuse it.
Washer, yeah.
I like it. All right.
Steam washer, I use 8 cycles.
And put it to factory specs. Click. Now for the oil filter. It's right up in here in the wheel well. Sorry. I'm gonna loosen it with my hand. Bring this closer here. Oh, sorry. Hope I catch it. What oil were you using for this car?
Mobile 1.
I got one. There we go. Let that drain out. Alright, get the oil in the filter. Right, mobile one and the filter. What's the weight? 5W30. Okay, let's put that right here. Right there. How should we do it? Should we put it in dry or should we just put a little oil in it? It's a sideways filter.
Horizontal?
Horizontal. It's going like this. So you gotta screw it in. So I can put a little bit. It won't be that bad. Right?
Gotta tell that filter comes from an F1 car.
F1 car. Let me close this.
Steal one from an F1 car this morning.
It closes up for it. It tips over and I have oil on the floor. Let that soak up some. I'm about to put this in real quick. Should I leave it loose?
Yeah. Leave a tread mark. Oh, Junior was here.
I'm gonna tighten it up when talking to specs. There we go.
Doesn't surprise us the first click.
Looking for a rag. That's gonna be disappearing. He always give me that clean one. Down this down real quick. Alright, let me button this back up for you. Nice. Got natural stain of the wood right here with the oil. I like it.
Bring put it on top of the table so we can see the quality of that oil.
You want to see the quality of the oil? It's black. I see metal shavings in here.
No. Don't scare me like that.
Thank you, sir. There you go. You can see the metal shaving, get a magnetic. All right, so we're going to jack this down. All right, let's dump some oil in.
Careful, I'm gonna start bringing it down.
Oh shit, this thing. Wow. That's fine. I missed a little bit. Don't worry, we're going to catch a fire. We ain't mechanics. Yeah. Then we're going to fill it up to the max. Check the levels up real quick. A little bit more. That should be good enough. That should be good enough. Check the oil. Oh, it's full. It's full. All right. Close that up. Let me see that hand towel. Let me get that towel. Good. I'm gonna get in here and clean it. No, it looks a lot, but you know it's oil. It looks like a lot. You're fine.
Don't forget, properly dispose your oil.
Yes.
A location will be the speak.
Now you gotta take it to the advanced auto, the order zone. They will take it. That's it.
Turn it on.
Let's turn it on. Let's see how it sounds. If it sounds extremely loud, that means we missed the oil. We didn't put the oil in. There we go. Right there. Bang. I think that's good. I think the job completed. Job completed. Let's go for a spin with this.
That one made me click my pole.
Should I go like this?
Yeah, get it up. Okay, close it up.
Bang! That's it for this video. If you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.